Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, you are welcome to my channel, and if you are old subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are just passing by, you click my video, don't leave without just hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified, because I upload twice in a week, so that you don't miss any of my video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Keep watching and stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye. So I already cornrows my hair back. Then I will just install this wig cap. Then I will use a got to be glue to lay the hair back side. Then I will still spray got to be glue spray so that everything will be intact. And even if you let your hair go, after just blowing it with paper, then the brush I'm using is brush I used to like foundation brush for makeup. I will just use it to blend the front so that everything will match with my skull for the front side. Then I will attach it to the glue. Baby, our love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you... So this place, the gel was not enough, the glue. Then I just add a little bit so that that place will not raise up when I'm packing it. I will still find it. If you have a hand dryer is fine. You can still use hand dryer. But I was so little bit lazy to be plugging hand dryer. I just grabbed this one. I use it to find it. Then I will tie it down with a scarf so that it will be dry. Then do my makeup. After finish doing my makeup, then I come back, take off the scarf, style it. I'm going to be parting it from side parts. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so go down. You don't have to put on makeup every baby. I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love it's natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Because you don't have to change. So I will just use rubber to pack it from back. I will be using gel to slip it. Why I pack it? Because if I don't pack it, applying gel will be too much. Packing it like this, I just want to apply gel for just only on top to make it slip back. Then use comb to brush it back. Take off the rubber again and tie it so that it will be tight. Then for the parts is too short, then I use a concealer to make the part little bit long inside. Use bobby pin to pin the two side. Then for the back side, so that it will puff up, then I use pin to secure it up, like push the back of the hair up. Use pin to secure it in any angle that it will show in the front. Then just bring a little baby hair out, do a little baby hair. That is the end of this video, guys. If you love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hairstyle, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me.